Guys, LT with LT Fit here with my new series called Do You Need a Health Coach? And in this series, we're talking about all the different reasons why you might need a health coach. Now in today's video, we're talking about people that is doing everything else but working on the nutrition. Now, if you are doing great with working out, but nutrition is your weak point, you probably need a health coach to help you out with that. Again, in one of my other videos, I said nutrition is probably about 80% of you getting your results. Working out is great, but you also need to have nutrition because working out breaks down the body, but nutrition helps your body recover and helps you actually get those results. So they work hand in hand together. So you're going to definitely need to get a little better with nutrition if that's your weak point. So if this is you, you probably definitely need a health coach. Now I offer health coaching online for a group, and I offer it one-on-one to people, so you have the option. Some people love to work in the group because you just have more support, and some people like the one-on-one because they just want to be personal, just the one-on-one with the coach. So this is LT Fit. I would love to help you with nutrition, health coaching, if you feel like that's your weak point. I am here to help you. If you have any questions, let me know, and I look forward to seeing you back here. Have a great day.